Hi everyone, welcome back to Hein Academy, and in this video we are solving problem number 4 on finding the x-intercepts using zero product property on quadratic equations. If you haven't watched 3 other math tutorials on finding the x-intercepts using zero product property, I'll put the links in the descriptions and also at the end of this video so that you can watch them after watching this tutorial, so that you can get more practice on zero product property. So let's move on with problem number 4, and that is for y is equal to x minus 5 the whole square. That means we are multiplying x minus 5 times x minus 5. So in order to find the x-intercept points, we will be using y is equal to 0, because at x-intercept points, y is always 0. So y is 0 so that we can find the x-intercept points. So that would be x minus 5 times x minus 5. So either the first variable has to be 0 or the second variable has to be 0. So when multiply them, then you get the result as 0, or in other words, to satisfy the equation. So x minus 5 is equal to 0, or x minus 5 is equal to 0, and here we will add 5 both sides, and that would be x is equal to 5, or we will be adding 5 on both sides as well here, and that would be x is equal to positive 5. So do you see this? X is equal to 5 and x is equal to 5. So we only have one point that the graph cuts through the x-axis, because here we have x equal 5 and here we also have x equal 5, because when you see the equation, it is squared, and therefore there is only one solution. And when you draw the graph, here y-axis and here x-axis, and here is 0, and let's check at 5. At 5, the graph will cut like this. Alright, so this is the graph of y is equal to x minus 5 the whole square. And for the side note, if you want to find the y-intercept of this graph, then you would use x is equal to 0, because at y-intercept, x value is always 0. So if you want to find where the graph cuts through the y-axis, then plug in 0 instead of x, then you will get y is equal to 0 minus 5 the whole square, and that would be negative 5 the whole square, and the answer is positive 25. So at 0, 25, the graph will cut through at y-axis. This is a side note for your information, but the question is only asking the x-intercepts. So the x-intercept points is at 5, 0. That's it. Here is 5, 0. I hope it helps, and if you want more tutorial examples on zero product property, make sure you check in the links in the description. Also, make sure you check the video tutorials at the end of this video, and I have attached other example problems related to zero product property and other related quadratic equation solutions. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.